All right, let's jump into another deep dive. This time, we're exploring large language models.
LLMs.
Yeah, those AI models that everyone says can write, like novels, and answer um, practically any question.
And some people even think they're going to take over the world.
Well, we'll see about that.
Yeah.
But really, big shout out to Curt Robbins. He's a senior technical writer who suggested this topic. Thanks, Curt. But really, beyond all the hype, what can these things actually do?
Yeah, that's the real question.
Right. Let's find out.
Definitely. It's amazing to see how they've gone from just sort of mimicking language to, almost understanding it.
I mean, you could literally tell an LLM to write a detective story,
Yeah.
but like set in space.
Oh,
And it'll just like come up with the plot, characters.
the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might not win any awards, but the potential is crazy.
And it's not just creative writing. Think about things like generating dialogue for video games.
Oh, yeah. Or even helping to write scripts.
Exactly.
It could totally change storytelling.
Absolutely.
But it's not even just about, just generating text. They can answer questions in a way that shows they understand the context.
Right. Not just giving you some pre-programmed answer.
Exactly. That's huge for things like customer service.
Yeah, education.
Even just searching for information online. Imagine like asking a question about something super complicated and getting a concise answer.
An answer that actually makes sense to you.
Yes, like having a personal tutor or a researcher just like available all the time. These LLMs are becoming incredible at translation.
Think about what that means for, like, global communication.
Right. Understanding each other better.
Bridging cultural divides, the potential is huge.
Okay, and for everyone out there who's super busy, LLMs are getting really good at like summarization.
Condensing a ton of information down to the key points.
Imagine taking a long, complicated document and just boom, you have the main points. Talk about a time saver.
Researchers sifting through tons of papers.
Students trying to make sense of their textbooks.
Yeah, LLMs could totally change how we process information.
All right, this one's for all the coders out there. LLMs are even starting to generate code. You could, like, tell it, write a Python function to sort numbers, and it can actually do it.
Working code.
This could be huge for software development.
Making it faster, more efficient.
It's like having, like, a superpowered coding assistant. And speaking of personalization, LLMs can actually tailor content to, like, individual preferences.
Think about, like, marketing and advertising.
Oh, yeah. Like getting product recommendations that actually make sense for you.
Or ads that are actually relevant.
So we've seen how these LLMs can, like, write stories, answer questions,
Translate language.
summarize info, generate code.
And personalize content.
The really exciting part is seeing how all of this is being used in the real world.
Seeing it in action.
Absolutely.
So let's dive into some specific examples. One area where LLMs are already making a difference is healthcare.
Oh, yeah. Healthcare.
Imagine these models going through medical records.
All that data.
Yeah, and then being able to find patterns and help doctors make diagnoses.
Faster diagnoses.
Faster and more informed.
It's like having, like, a digital medical consultant.
Exactly.
Now, what about drug discovery?
Oh, absolutely.
Could LLMs help with
Yeah,
that?
they could analyze all that research data
To find new treatments?
much faster than we can right now.
Wow.
And it's not just about data, it's about personalized care,
Yeah.
too.
Right. Personalization.
Creating custom treatment plans,
Based on someone's medical history,
their genetics.
even their lifestyle.
Exactly. It's like the future of medicine.
Personalized medicine. That's amazing.
Yeah.
And speaking of personalized, think about education.
Oh, yeah.
What if every student had their own AI tutor
That adapted to how they learn best.
to their pace?
It could be huge, especially for students who don't do well in a traditional classroom.
Right. They'd have that extra support.
Those explanations they need.
And it wouldn't just be tutoring,
No, it could change how we create educational content.
like interactive materials.
Exactly, or adaptive assessments.
Even grading essays?
It would free up teachers to focus on, the things that really matter.
Like creativity?
Critical thinking.
And it's not just healthcare and education. LLMs are showing up in customer service, too. Those chatbots we see everywhere.
Instead of those, like, pre-programmed responses,
Which can be so frustrating
you could have a chatbot that actually understands you.
and give you real help.
That's the power of natural language understanding.
And of course, we can't forget the creative industries.
Music, poetry.
Screenplays, even.
It's changing what's possible in art.
It makes you wonder about the nature of creativity.
Yeah, are LLMs really being creative or just mimicking us?
That's a big question.
As LLMs keep evolving, who knows what new things we'll see?
It's really pushing the boundaries of AI.
Oh, we have to be realistic too.
Oh, right. There are limitations.
It's not all perfect.
LLMs are still pretty new. There are things they struggle with,
Like sometimes they give you wrong information,
or biased info.
especially if the data they were trained on wasn't good.
So we can't just take everything they say as fact.
We need to be critical to double-check things.
And then there's the whole issue of the resources they need.
The computational power.
It's a lot.
We have to think about the environmental impact, too.
As we use more and more LLMs,
Finding ways to make them more efficient.
more sustainable.
It's about balancing the potential with responsible development.
Yeah, it's like we're at the start of something big.
A new frontier.
And LLMs are the tools, but we have to use them responsibly.
How are these models trained?
What data are they using?
How are they dealing with bias?
The developers need to be upfront about all of that.
And as users,
We have to be informed.
to understand how these things work,
Their limitations.
to use them in a smart way.
So as we wrap up this deep dive into LLMs,
We hope you've learned something.
about their potential
Challenges.
and the big questions we need to ask.
As they keep evolving.
And thanks for joining us.